Hey, this is Patty Hasmer, and today's lesson is on solving equations by addition. And I always tell students that are learning algebra, they get so nervous because of the letter that they have really been doing it since first grade. So let me explain. So algebra version is x minus 4 equals 7. And then in first grade, you're taught a number minus 4 equals 7. That's really what they're saying here in both problems. It's the same problem. All you did is replace the box with a letter. And that letter could be anything. It's a variable, okay? So when they say variable, they just mean a letter representing a number. So x minus 4 equals 7. You're going to use addition because this is subtraction. You always do the opposite to solve for the variable. So it's minus 4. I'm going to add 4 to both sides to get my answer. Add 4, so this crosses out. What you do to one side, you always do to the other. Add 4, so your answer is going to be 11. So let's see if that is right. If I plug in 11 here in the first grade equation, 11 minus 4 equals 7. Very good. Okay, so that is correct. And I hate to show it that way, but there's so many people that are nervous or don't like math. Like they just think, oh my goodness, what are these letters? Don't get nervous. Just put the box there instead if it helps you. I don't care what letter you use for the variable. I usually tell students use your initial or use, your letter of your first name or something. Okay, so we're going to do these following problems. So x minus 5 equals 7. We're going to do the same thing. These are all going to be solved by addition because this is subtraction. You're going to do the opposite. So I'm going to add 5 so that this becomes nothing. It'd just be x equals. And then what I do to one side, I do to the other. I'm going to add 5 over here. And 7 plus 5 equals 12. So let's see, 12 minus 5 equals 7, correct? And you can always rewrite it to make sure. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. Make sure it's correct, okay? And you have 10 equals a number, the box, minus 8. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides, okay? So this crosses off and that leaves you x equals, and you have 10 plus 8, so x equals 18. So let's see if we're right. 18 minus 8 equals 10, okay? You can rewrite that. 18 minus 8 equals 10. Okay. So let's look here. You have x minus 15 equals 30. It's a subtraction, so I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add. Okay. Cross that out. And what I do to one side, I do to the other side of the equal sign. So what's left? You have x equals 45. Now let's see if that's right. So 45 minus 15 equals 30. That's correct. Okay, you have x minus 9 equals 81. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides. Okay, so that'll leave just x equals, and then you have 81 plus 9 is 90. So x equals 90. Now let's see if we're right. We're going to replace 90 where the x is. So 90 minus 9 equals 81. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.